Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by ensuring plugins and a child theme are active so settings persist. Install Yoast SEO and Elementor, then open Yoast's configuration wizard to set site title, XML sitemap, and visibility rules. Once done, connect the sitemap to Google Search Console and set default social images. Make sure to enable Yoast's content analysis in the editor so you can get live feedback while building pages with Elementor. Open your page in Elementor and build the visual layout, but keep SEO in mind. Use H1, H3 hierarchy and descriptive alt text for images. Then click Yoast's SEO panel to set a focus keyphrase and write a compelling meta description. This influences click-throughs. Once done, select schema type that matches the page and mark cornerstone pages for priority. Make sure to follow Yoast's content and linking suggestions. You're ready to finalize. Preview the Elementor page on mobile and desktop, then run a speed test and structured data validation to confirm schema. Once satisfied, submit the sitemap and request indexing in Google Search Console and monitor impressions and errors. If things go wrong, clear all caches, disable recently added plugins to find conflicts, and check canonical tags for mistakes. Make sure to rerun Yoast's analysis after changes so rankings and visibility update correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.